There's two ways to recharge the new electric 500. Let's look at them for a second. Well, first of all, at home. You can recharge the new electric 500 from your domestic power supply with the easyWallbox. Easily fitted at home with no complex installation needs. And by modifying your domestic electricity contract to, say, a supply of 7 kilowatts, you can greatly reduce your full charge time. Secondly, when you're out and about in the new 500, its mobile app can point you to the nearest charging points. There are more than 120,000. 8,000 of them are fast charge points. And there, thanks to the new electric 500's fast charge mode, you can get a full day's driving in the city. I mean, 50 kilometres in just 5 minutes. And 80% battery charge in just 35 minutes. So, you can get on with your life while your 500 charges up.